Hi guys, I hope you all are good, and in today's video I am going to be showing you this matte summery makeup look with you guys, which is very easy to do. So the first thing we need to do is prepping the skin, and skincare is very essential guys. So I will be using this Purplle Snail Mucin Instant Hydrating Serum, which helps in hydrating my skin and helps in making it look dewy, although we are going to be going for a matte makeup look. But if you have a proper skincare done before doing the makeup, it is really gonna make your makeup look beautiful. Next up guys, I will be using this Purplle True Jewel 24K Gold Primer, and this is gonna control the shine and give you the matte finish. Also, it has gold dust particles which helps in even out your skin tone and also helps in hiding the fine lines and enlarged pores you have on your face. And then I'm going to be moving on to using a concealer. I have pigmentation around my mouth and dark circles. You guys all know about this problem. So I use this concealer which is in shade Caramel, and I love this concealer because it helps in hiding away all the uneven skin tone I have on my face, and the pigmentation it covers beautifully. And once I use this guys, I do not need a color corrector underneath it. So yes, I take a brush and I blend it out. It blends out beautifully. So yes, this is one of my favorite concealer. Next up guys, I'm going to be using this foundation which is Purplle Caffeine Camarade Long Stay Foundation, and the best part is it is especially curated for Indian skin tone, and I am going to be using the shade 03. So if you falls in the skin tone just as mine, you can go for it. Also, it is such a wonderful formula guys. It stay matte throughout the day. It doesn't crease, doesn't budge at all. So it is going to be ideal for summers. Also, it helps in fading away any kind of blemishes, dark spots or dullness you have on your skin. It blends out beautifully guys. Also, it has vitamin E and jojoba oil, which also helps in nourishing your skin. Now it blends out beautifully. After that guys, what we need to do is take a little bit of powder and just dab it underneath the eye so that it doesn't crease. So yes, this is the next thing I'm gonna do. Don't you love the finish of this foundation guys? After that, we are going to be moving on to next step, and which is using Purplle Dazzling Glaze palette. It has a beautiful highlighter, blush and also a bronzer, and it is going to be ideal for my skin tone. I'm going to take a little bit of this blush and apply it all over my cheek area. It doesn't like stand out too much, but it helps in giving you a natural and a flushed glow. After that, it's very lightweight and the buildable coverage it gives, and it's very long lasting. I will be using the bronzer to give the definition to my nose. So yes, this is the next thing I'm gonna do. I will make this dark face and apply it all over my cheek to give my cheeks little bit more lifted definition, and at the end you will see my cheeks standing out and glowing. And the best part is gonna be using highlighter guys. I love using highlighters, and this has a beautiful shimmer. It doesn't stand out too much but helps in giving you that natural glow. So all you need is gonna be in one single palette. After getting done with this, I'm gonna spritz a little bit of this makeup fixer so that my makeup stays intact and in place. Next up, I'm gonna be moving on to my lips, and I always make sure that before applying a good lipstick, I line my lips, because that way they're gonna have more definition and look so much better. And now we are going to be moving on to applying a lipstick, and today I will be using Purplle Ultra HD Velvet Matte Lipstick in Brown Binge Eating Companion. It is smudge proof guys, it's very lightweight, and the color payoff is extremely high. It is transfer resistance and has intense pigmentation. I love the color so much. It has such a beautiful finish guys. It's so easy to apply. And now we are going to be moving on to eyes, and for today's look I am going to be using this Purplle Crescent eyeshadow palette, which has beautiful nude shades. I love nude shades on the eyes, and especially in the summer season, guys, they are going to be ideal for you. So I'm going to take this light brown shade in the crease, and using a brush I'm going to apply it all over the crease. After that, we are going to be moving on to this dark brown shade, and I will apply it all over my eyes again. And to give it a little more definition, I will go with the lightest color in the palette, and with the use of my finger I will just apply it near the rim. So this way it makes your eyes open up. And again, with the same brown shade, I am gonna line it underneath my eyes. Now we are going to be moving on to liner, guys, because I'm going for this smudge look today. I will be using this Purplle Gel Over Drama Gel Eyeliner in black. I am just going to randomly apply it. You do not need to be very precise when you need to smudge it off. And then just line the rim. And after that, I'm going to take a brush and smudge it out. It is going to give you such a beautiful look. And I always make sure that, guys, whenever I'm going for an eyeshadow, I apply a good eyeliner. And a smudge look is so much trendy this season. I love it. It helps in opening up your eyes beautifully and gives it a very nice definition. After that, I will take this Kiko Milano palette, taking the black eyeshadow. I'm going to smudge it more so you guys can have a look at it. It really looks beautiful. After that, we are going to curl the lashes. It's very important before applying mascara, curl the lashes. And then I'm going to apply this NY Baby mascara. And this was the first time, guys, in front of camera I was giving this mascara a try. And believe me, it took my breath away. I was really stunned how beautifully it helped in curling the lashes. Also, it is not waterproof, and still it gives such a nice hold, because I was fanning this mascara which was from L'Oreal a while ago, but this is going to be my new affordable favorite. I am going to line my eyes with this kajal, which is by K Beauty. I love this kajal also. And then taking the same black eyeshadow, I'm going to smudge it out. I love this smudge look so much, guys. And my look is almost complete here. I loved how it turned out to be. I have not used any harsh lighting or a filter to alter how this makeup looks. Also, I love the finish of the foundation. It stayed intact throughout the day. And also the lipstick, guys. All of these are my new favorites. The products links are going to be in the description box below. And I'll see you guys super soon with another one.